There are places in the universe we will never reach, not because we lack rockets, not because we lack courage, but because reality itself draws a line. Beyond a certain distance, space expands too fast. Beyond a certain boundary, light cannot escape. Beneath certain surfaces, pressure and radiation erase everything we send. The universe is vast, but it is not fully accessible. For centuries, humanity believed the night sky was unreachable. Then, we built telescopes, then rockets, then probes that left the solar system entirely. Today, we can detect planets around distant stars. We can photograph black holes. We can measure the afterglow of the Big Bang. And yet, despite this progress, there are regions of the universe that remain permanently beyond exploration, not restricted by politics, not hidden by secrecy, restricted by physics. In this episode, we explore 3 places we are not allowed to explore, because the structure of the cosmos itself prevents it. Imagine standing in the middle of an endless ocean, no land in sight, just water stretching in every direction. Now, imagine that ocean is expanding, and the waves at the horizon are moving away from you faster than any ship could travel. This is our universe. Since the Big Bang, space has been expanding, and for the past several billion years, that expansion has been accelerating. Galaxies far enough away are receding from us faster than the speed of light, not because they are breaking relativity, but because space itself is stretching. There exists a boundary called the cosmic event horizon. Light emitted today from beyond that boundary will never reach Earth, not in a billion years, not ever. This means there are galaxies we can currently observe, whose present state is already lost to us. We see them as they were billions of years ago, their ancient light only now arriving. But what they look like today, whether they have merged, collapsed, formed new stars, we will never know. Even if humanity survived for trillions of years, even if we traveled at nearly the speed of light, we could never overtake the expansion of space beyond that limit. Current estimates suggest that only about 5% of the entire universe is observable to us. The rest lies beyond a horizon that grows more restrictive with time. Scientists debate whether the universe is infinite. If it is, then beyond our horizon may lie an endless continuation of galaxies, possibly repeating structures, possibly regions with entirely different large-scale properties. We can calculate, we can simulate, we can theorize, but we cannot explore. The cosmic horizon is not guarded. It does not warn us. It simply ensures that most of reality is permanently out of reach. At the center of nearly every large galaxy lies a black hole. In the Milky Way, that object is Sagittarius, a star, a gravitational anchor 4 million times the mass of our Sun. We've tracked stars orbiting it at extreme speeds. We've measured its shadow using the Event Horizon telescope. We know it is there. But the true mystery begins at its edge. The boundary of a black hole is called the event horizon. It is the point at which escape velocity exceeds the speed of light. Cross it, and every possible future leads inward. No signal can return. No information can climb back out. What happens inside remains one of the greatest unanswered questions in physics. According to Einstein's general relativity, matter collapses toward a singularity, a point of infinite density where space-time curvature becomes infinite. But infinite is often a sign that a theory is incomplete. Quantum mechanics suggests that information cannot be destroyed, yet black holes appear to erase it. This contradiction is known as the black hole information paradox. Some physicists propose that information is encoded on the event horizon itself. Others suggest black holes slowly evaporate through Hawking radiation, eventually releasing information in subtle ways. There are even speculative ideas about wormholes or quantum gravity effects, but these remain theoretical. The truth is simple. We cannot look inside. Any probe sent across the horizon would be lost forever. From our perspective, it would appear frozen at the edge, fading slowly as time stretches. Black holes are laboratories of extreme physics. They shape galaxies, they bend light, they warp time, but their interiors are permanently sealed, a region of space-time we are not allowed to observe, because the laws of nature forbid it. Not all unreachable places are billions of light years away. Some orbit quietly within our own solar system. Europa, one of Jupiter's largest moons, is a frozen world wrapped in cracked white ice. From space, it looks silent, still, dead. But beneath its surface, scientists believe there may be a global ocean. Evidence from spacecraft suggests a thick, icy crust, possibly 10 to 30 kilometers deep, covering a vast ocean of liquid water. That ocean may contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. Water, energy from tidal heating, chemical interactions at the seafloor, these are the ingredients for life. But reaching that ocean is extraordinarily difficult. Europa orbits within Jupiter's intense radiation belts. Radiation levels there can disable unprotected electronics within hours. Any spacecraft must be heavily shielded just to survive in orbit. Landing is only the first challenge. Drilling through kilometers of ice in extreme cold while operating autonomously millions of kilometers from Earth is a technological barrier we have not yet overcome. Future missions, such as NASA's Europa Clipper, aim to study the moon in detail. They will scan its surface, analyze its chemistry, search for plumes of water erupting into space, but descending into that dark ocean, exploring it freely, that remains beyond our current capability, not because it is forbidden, but because the environment resists us at every level. For now, Europa's ocean remains one of the most tantalizing and unreachable places in the solar system. When we think about forbidden places, we often imagine barriers built by intelligence. But the universe does not need intention to create limits. The speed of light is a limit. The expansion of space is a limit. Gravity, radiation, distance, all limits. They define the edges of what can be explored. And yet, within those boundaries, humanity has already achieved something extraordinary. We have mapped the observable universe, measured its age, detected gravitational waves from colliding black holes. We cannot access everything, but we can understand far more than we can touch. Perhaps exploration is not about reaching every place. Perhaps it is about learning where the edges truly are. Beyond our cosmic horizon, entire galaxies evolve unseen. Inside black holes, physics follows rules we are still trying to uncover. Beneath Europa's frozen crust, an ocean may move in total darkness. The universe is not closed to us, but it is not fully open either. And somewhere, at the boundary between the known and the unreachable, is where our curiosity burns the brightest. Hidden Earth TV explores the parts of our planet that remain untouched, unreachable, and unseen. If you want to discover more places where humanity does not belong, subscribe to Hidden Earth TV.